What is up, people? This is Kam Leo, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I'm super duper excited for this unboxing because they are all very versatile sneakers. And we are going to start with the Puma sneaker. It has come in a very... Let's unbox them. So this is Puma King 21 IT. A full leather black and white upper sneaker with that beautiful gum bottom on it. It is a super sleek silhouette and it looks very interesting on feet. This is a football boot inspired silhouette and it is very much similar to the Adidas Sambas. It gives that kind of a vibe because of this suede toe box and it is very interesting. I really like this pair. I have been liking this pair since a long time. It's just that this slim sleek sneaker is not my vibe and that is the reason I don't have this pair in my collection. But yes, it is a very beautiful pair, really high quality pair. I just love the build quality on this. It feels pretty premium and solid and I just love this gum bottom on it. It is just so beautiful. It is a full leather upper sneaker. There is this suede toe guard here which you can see, which I just talked about, and that makes the sneaker very interesting. It gives that vibe to the sneaker. It has a different character because of the all leather white stripes here, gum bottom, suede on the toe box. It has a different vibe to itself, and the name King printed here, it hits different, man. It hits different. Talking about the comfort, sizing and pricing, this sneaker fits true to size. It is pretty decently comfortable and you can get this sneaker for 3,478 rupees, which is under 3,500 rupees. A great price for this beautiful pair. Okay, now we move towards the next sneaker on this list, and this is this is my favorite pair. I am just not able to express it, but this is my favorite pair on this list. Is this? Yes, this is my favorite pair. So let's unbox it. This is Reebok Active Stride, a very clean silhouette from Reebok, and every patch on this sneaker has a different material and a different texture to it, and that makes the sneaker very interesting. I really like this sneaker, but let me just correct myself. I told you guys this is my favorite sneaker on this list. I think not. I was excited about this sneaker. I am still excited about this sneaker. I really like it, but not the favorite one. I don't know which one is now, but I was looking this sneaker in hand. I'm not that wow, but this is really nice. Let me just tell you the details. You see different shades of black, gray, cream, beige, white all over the sneaker. You also get different materials on different panels, and the one you get around the collar is one of the most beautiful textured leather I have ever seen. And basically I'll say you have two basic material here used, that is nubuck and leather, but this leather is not that specific leather. It is some synthetic leather, but yes, nubuck and a different sort of leather. Very clean sneaker. All of the sneakers on this list, you can wear them to college, office, wherever you want because they are very versatile. Talking about the comfort on this sneaker has memory foam in it. Really comfortable sneaker. Second thing, sizing, true to size. And now pricing. You can buy this sneaker right now for 3,227 rupees. I just don't know what I did with my fingers here, what I did with my hands, but I think you get the price. So if you want to check out any sneaker on this list, check the description. Now we have a big boy from Puma. This is a huge box, and if you know why this is a huge box. So let's unbox this pair. So this is Puma Evoke Layup, a full leather black and white high top sneaker from Puma. This sneaker looks very much similar to Air Jordan 1 in my opinion. It has a very similar toe box, it has a very similar silhouette, but still this is a great sneaker, great silhouette. I personally like it because of the structure of the sneaker, and the color combination is literally beautiful. Trust me, you can never go wrong with something like this because a high top sneaker, you can wear this, style this sneaker with a lot of different things. I know there are a lot of people out there who don't wear high top sneakers or don't like to wear high top sneakers. I totally understand, but if you have never tried in your life, you can at least try it once. If you want to, that's it. It's your call at the end. But if you want to try it, you can start with this, a very beautiful pair from Puma. I personally like it. This is very clean, fits true to size, decent in comfort, looks very interesting. And most importantly, if you wear a baggy jeans over this, people will think you are wearing a panda dunk for sure. So now it's up to you. If you want to wear it, you can wear it. If you don't want to, still not a problem. But yes, I feel a great sneaker, very casual. You cannot wear this sneaker with some formal kind of outfit, but still very clean, very subtle. I really like it. This sort of hints, I like this on sneakers because this is a very good placement of logos, I believe. I don't know if everyone will agree, but I believe this looks very nice. But yes, a clean sneaker, this will cost you 3,299 rupees. That is 3,300 rupees, almost there. Do you like high top sneakers? Do let me know in the comments. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and we have a sneaker from Adidas. So let's unbox it. So this is Adidas Soulzie, a full black leather upper sneaker with that white Adidas side stripe on it and a really chunky silhouette. For some reason, this sneaker reminds me of Nike Air Force. I know there are a lot of differences in this pair, but it just reminds me of it, and that is just what I think. It is not something like I think you should know it or something like that. It is just my opinion, nothing else. And yes, a very clean pair, again really solid build, great leather, great structure. You have this gray paneling on the side panels of the sneaker. You can just have a look at that. And on the right side, on the outer side of the sneaker, you have that white stripes. You also get this Adidas branding on the back heel, and on the tongue you also have that tongue in grey color. And talking about the midsole on the sneaker, it is not white, it is off-white, chalk white, whatever you want to call it. This sneaker is decent in comfort, not really spongy or something like that. Very decent in comfort, fits true to size, and will cost you 2,792 rupees. Great sneaker under 3,000 rupees. I believe if you want to try something like this, or if you just want to have a versatile pair, you don't have to think about something you want to wear every day to college. You just want to wear any outfit and just wear your sneakers and run out. A great sneaker for that. So do cop it before it's gone. So now we have a pair from Puma, and I am excited for this. So let's unbox it. So this is Puma Coat Curve, a full black leather upper sneaker with Puma white side stripe and that dark gum bottom on it. A silhouette that Puma has released recently, I believe, and they have just launched bunch of different colorways of this sneaker. A very good sneaker, very versatile, very simple, very basic. It doesn't matter you know fashion, it doesn't matter you know sneakers. This is that good of a sneaker, like you can wear it with everything. I had recently unboxed this sneaker in one of my past videos as well, but in a different color, that was white I believe, and this is black and white. So I believe they have ton of bunch of different colorways and they look super good. And the best thing I like about the sneaker is the value for money aspect, because this sneaker will cost you only 2,499 rupees. Yes, the MRP is 5,000 something like that, but it will only cost you 2,499 rupees right now. So I believe you can go and check them out, and you will definitely find something you like, because they have multiple colors, they have multiple options for you guys. So do let me know which is your favorite sneaker on this list, and I have got all of them from Amazon, and I have linked each and every sneaker on this list in the description. So go and check it out right now. And if you have liked this video, I believe you guys will like this video as well. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you guys next time in the next video. Till then, peace.